Hello. Well, who would have thought that 10 years ago we would be celebrating World EV Day, World Electrical Vehicle Day? But here we are, 10 years on, and we are celebrating exactly that. Today recognises it is World Electrical Vehicles Day. And at City and Guilds, we're committed to reducing our negative impact on the environment and helping to supercharge our positive social impact by developing the skills needed to create a more sustainable world. And as the UK gears up to meet its electrical vehicle charging targets by 2030 and purchases of electrical vehicles soar, a lack of appropriate training and skills could be leading to thousands of unsafe installations of EV chargers in homes, on streets and commercial locations, with, of course, potentially disastrous consequences. We already know that currently 1 in 6 vehicles sold has an electrical plug, whether hybrid or electric. That all new petrol and diesel car sales will be phased out by 2030. All new hybrid vehicle sales will be phased out by 2035. And the transition from petrol and diesel vehicles to electrical vehicle ownership is a critical part of reducing global carbon emissions. But the speed of this transition is going to place a huge pressure on those tasked with developing the new infrastructure of charging points required, and to make sure that we do that safely. According to a new recent survey of 500 UK electricians, only 28% have undertaken the training specifically required to the current EV charging installation guidelines. And then further research driven by the Department of Transport uncovered that nearly a fifth, that's 18%, of new home EV charge points had been identified as potentially dangerous, with only 32% as being deemed as being satisfactory. So to help create industry standards, we've worked with major employers such as Shell and other key industry bodies across the whole EV charging supply chain to co-design a new portfolio of EV charging design and installation qualifications that we can then be assured are quality leading and work to those important safety standards and support the workforce skills needed as we ramp up the efforts over the coming years. We've got a wide range of EV qualifications that will be launching this month for both the domestic and commercial market. All qualifications in the portfolio have been co-designed with employers and key industry stakeholders, as well as, of course, importantly, colleges and training providers across the UK to ensure that these qualifications are fit for purpose and meet a high skills standard. City and Guilds is asking people to support our call to professionalise the EV charging market by making a commitment to drive up standards and promote safety. If you want to join our campaign, please make a pledge via our website and social media channels, and we will also issue you with a City and Guilds digital credential that you can then share with your networks onwards as well. Together, we can promote the safe use of EV chargers and develop the green skills needed to work towards a more sustainable and safe future. Thank you.